The Larson Electronics IND-UC484L UVC AT50C is an industrial UV sanitation cart which can disinfect coronavirus and bacteria in large facilities. This unit offers UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and comes equipped with 4 UVC fluorescent lamps. Simply plug the unit in and flip the power switch on. The unit has an automatic timer that will clean the room for 30 minutes. It also has a built-in motion detector. If motion is detected, the lights will shut off for 30 seconds and then resume cleaning after 30 seconds has elapsed. The UV light can disinfect over 99% of bacteria, viruses, coronavirus, mold, and spores. Operators may move the cart around after exposure time to disinfect several locations. The cart allows the entire fixture to be easily wheeled into position as needed and can be laid flat for sliding the cart under vehicles or hard-to-reach areas. This cart is highly versatile and gives the operator the ability to easily move the entire assembly around the workspace simply by leaning the cart back and rolling it into position. Also included is a fold-down handle and unidirectional caster wheels that allows operators to lay the unit flat and wheel it into hard-to-reach areas. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have 2 benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection.